birthday to come!
Stay beautiful and sexy.
And good health, Mother.
From the Reshape team, again, Happy Birthday, Mother!
Yana.
Happiest birthday, Boss Aklam. We love you.
Happy birthday, Mother! We wish you all the best.
Good health. More birthdays to come.
Stay pretty and sexy.
We love you, Mother! Again, from the Genie team, Happy Birthday, Mother!
Happy 40th birthday, Mother.
I wish you a good health, Mother. I wish you more success. I wish you all the best, Mother.
Keep pretty and sexy, boss.
Wish you happiness in life, Mother.
More blessings to come, Mother. I wish you a love life.
Once again, happy birthday, Mother.
Happy birthday, Mother! Wish you all the happiness that you deserve.
And good health all throughout this year. And more money to come.
Wishing you a happy love life for this year.
We're praying for your safety.
Dreams come true, Mother!
Happy birthday, Mother! We love you! Happy birthday, Mother! We love you from FTV! From FTV team, happy 40th birthday, Mother! Stay pretty and we love you!
Happy birthday, Mother. Wish you well. Have a blast. Happy birthday, Mother. Enjoy life.
Ayom yom uledet, yom yom uledet le akhlam. Happy birthday, Mazel Tov. Happy 40th birthday. I wish you nothing but the best. Good health, of course. And yeah, we've been working for 5 years already. We know each other already for 5 years. And lots of ups and downs, twists and turns. But here we are, KLP still expanding, still growing. Cheers for another year to come. Happy birthday.
Aklam, happy birthday! It's around here. 40 it is finally, but you look like 30 and feels like 20, so it doesn't really matter. I wish you all the best, a lot of success, health, happiness, never-ending energies. We all love you in both floors, in both buildings, not only in one. So keep growing, keep smiling, keep being who you are.